Welcome to Factory of Fun Facts, the only place where you'll find life hacks so dumb, so obvious, and so completely useless that they're actually hilarious. Daily life hack. If you're watching this video, don't scroll. You've already made the smartest choice today. Think about it. If it's dark, turn on the light. If your shoes are untied, tie them. If your car is out of gas, just add gas. You're welcome. Every single day we drop quick, funny hacks and random facts designed to make you laugh and maybe even share with your friends just to say, look how stupid this is. Because let's be honest, the internet is full of boring advice. We're here to give you the opposite. The kind of hacks nobody asked for, but everybody secretly loves. So if you enjoy short videos, dumb humor, and life hacks that change absolutely nothing in your life, hit that subscribe button right now.